Hey, what's going on? Just explaining this trade here. Now, this is the ICT silver bullet trade. This was my first time trading this. I was kind of scared, but I said, let's just if something actually sets up, then I'll do it. I didn't force anything. So what happened? So if we go at that silver bullet trade is from 10 to 11. Basically, I'm seeing that all this stuff is the same stuff. We basically look for a swing high or a swing low at 10 a.m. Okay, so at first I was looking at this right here, and I thought that this was the swing low and the swing high, but sometimes you get faked out by that. Sometimes you have to wait until after these macros. You have to wait until like at the 10, you see it actually pushed up and then pushed down. And so that's why I have this yellow thing on here, which actually marks up the range. Now I marked up the body high range. Okay, so I put it on the body. So I put it on the red candle body. I put it on the red candle body low, and I put it on the, I have to zoom in and then I put it on the green body high. Okay, so this is the dealer's range, not the wick high. Okay, so you may be thinking like, well, why didn't you put on the body high up here? Because this is a red candle. To me, these candles have their own relationships. Okay. So if a candle closes above this candle here, I only consider it bullish if it closes above here, even if it closes above here, of course, it would be closing above here. But anyway, so I use the Fibonacci now. Let me look at my notes on here. I follow Jessica Lane. She's a multimillionaire African-American woman who all she uses Fibonacci and supply and demand. And that's how she teach people. So off her free content, because I'm not a paid student, one thing that she said that really was interesting was if it retraces past the 50%, it's going to the 61.8. Now I back tested this heavily, and it is true. It's not a panacea. Don't work all the time, but I mean, it's definitely true. So I looked at that, and once price broke out of this dealer's range right here, I waited to retrace. I could have got in right here, but I was scared because it's my first time doing it. So I went to be real conservative with this trade because I didn't want to take a loss, because I haven't taken a loss all week except yesterday, which I made back and some. So I was like, all right, let's see it retrace. So it created a dealer's range right here again. And then once it broke out, I went on ahead and got in, once I saw this breakout. So this was extra confirmation. I should have got in right here. I could have made more. But once I got 50 points, I got out. See, this is 50 points. Now, of course, according to her structure, it says if it retraces past the fib. Now, remember, she put it on the wicks. Jessica Lane and her students, they use the wicks, but I follow ICT. We use the bodies. Okay, I didn't put it on this body down here. I could have, but I like putting it on the bodies because, you get more close to what the market is actually doing using the bodies of the candles versus the wicks, according to ICT and my back testing experience. So it retraced past the 50%. So I'm like, okay, what's going to negative 61.8? It's going up here. Now, also, this close above the 100% of the fib right here, above the 0%. This is a strong indication. Look how it closed above it. Okay. This is I study Fibonacci. I study all facets of the market because it's a lot of moving parts. Look how it closed above the 0% of the body Fibonacci. So I knew that it was game time to go higher. But when it created this dealer's range right here, created a swing high and a swing low, I just wanted to see it break because it's my first time trading this. I didn't want to take a loss. And so these purple lines right here are my TP areas. So I looked to the left right here, and I looked to the left, and I looked to the left. It's not showing up because it's way to the left, but I looked left and I saw all these TP areas right here. Okay. That's what those purple lines are. So I didn't wait for it to go to the negative 61.8. I should have. I could have made more, but once I got 50 points, I just got out because as you can see, price did go up to, it retraced past the 50%, just like she teach. And then you see it went to the negative 61.8. Okay. Literally. And then it reversed and it dropped down. And that's where we are right now. So that's how I won that trade. Thanks for watching.